Hi there, this is Adam Jones from the Wolf Rock Boat Company. Hope you guys are well. I'm down here at the slip at Batson in Salcombe. We've just taken a BRIG Eagle 6.7 out on the water, put it back on the trailer, and it's heading back up to Wolf Rock HQ. And I just wanted to say that BRIG are back. I've had a few conversations recently at various slips around the country whilst I've been out boating myself with people saying that they're not making boats at the moment and that the factory's been bombed and all of those things with the conflict that we've been dealing with in Ukraine. But like I've said in many of our videos, the resilience of the guys over there is just unbelievable, and they are making new BRIG boats again. With everything that's happened, it's quite unbelievable. And this year at Southampton Boat Show, we want to say that BRIG are back, and we are going to be bringing a lot of BRIGs, brand new BRIGs, to the boat show. So if you're in the market and you are looking for a BRIG boat and you've not been able to get your hands on one for the last 18 months or so with everything that's been going on, now is the time. Come to the boat show. We're going to have boats on the water, and we're going to have pretty much the full Eagle range on our stand at Southampton International Boat Show. Now, BRIGs on the water, the first thing to mention is we're going to have the BRIG Eagle 8 custom T-top with a 350 duoprop on the back, and an Eagle 6.7 custom with a 200 horsepower Suzuki. On the stand, we're going to have Eagle 8 custom T-top with a 350 duoprop and a classic bimini, also with a 350. Then we're going to have a 6.7 classic bimini with a 200, a 6.7 custom with a 200, Eagle 6 custom with a 140, Eagle 5 classic with a 100, and then all the way down to the Eagle 3.5 classic with a 30 and an Eagle 4 custom as well. There are going to be so many boats on the stand, and if you, like I said, if you're in the market and you've been looking for a new BRIG and you thought that your chance was gone, certainly for the foreseeable future, that is not the case. BRIG are back. Brand new boats are being rigged at the Wolf Rock Boat Company right now, just up the hill, getting ready to go across to Southampton International Boat Show. And there also might be an Eagle 10 coming to the show as well. So more on that later. Like I said, BRIG are back. The guys over there are absolutely amazing, and we are so excited to see you all at Southampton Boat Show. If you're interested in a BRIG, come and see us. If you're interested in an iron, come and see us. If you're interested in a UMS, a Smartwave, a Calibri, any of the boats that the Wolf Rock Boat Company sell, we cannot wait to see you on the stand at Southampton International Boat Show in just a few weeks' time. We'll see you guys soon.